Here's how you can easily share your Instagram story to WhatsApp. First up, go over to Instagram and then click on your story. And as you can see, here's my story and I want to share it over to my WhatsApp status. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on the share option. Once you do that, select the WhatsApp icon and then click my status option and then send. And then you can click send again. And if I go back to WhatsApp and go over to my story, you can see that I've successfully saved or I've successfully shared my Instagram story to WhatsApp. So that's how you can easily share Instagram story to WhatsApp. So that said, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.